looks like I should be able to take everything.
No, we got a snowstorm. First one for 2025 is here. Then what follows next is an Arctic blast of very nasty cold weather. And some of my friends out there in the Badlands of the West, out in Minnesota, Billings, Montana, and places like that. I don't know if Billings got it, but somewhere else they had minus 55 degrees, and that's dangerous cold for you. And I would not want to be out there filming trains, not even sitting in the vehicle alone, even out. Got broken down cameras and shit. Look at this. 3399 809 6227. That's a B&A classic. And a 6239 and freaking Gundlefinger. Ouch, that's gonna leave a mark. Look at that freaking CSX. Covered coiled car all graffitied to piss. Yeah, someone put the word space on that UP boxcar. God, that's going beyond what I wanted to see. That looks like an old BNSF covered hopper. Can't really tell. That's a weird piece of graffiti on that car. BCOL, what? It's gotta be British Columbia Railroad's trademark initials. brand new pipes. Looks like sewer pipe are out in the road there. Here we go. DPU. Holy shit. That's the first. And we got the 825. Normally that engine's always leading. Snow's starting to come down at a good steady pace here. Waiting for the Housatonic to pull out. Yeah, decent sized train today, I'm surprised. Morning I've had, man, at least it turned out better than what I wanted. This coming weekend's the train show in freaking West at the Biggie in West Springfield. Today was the Utica show. Didn't even make it because of this lousy weather. I wasn't going to go to the train show. I wanted to film the trains out on the freaking Chicago line. That didn't happen. There's a waste of coal hoppers, cutting them and cutting the tops off and then sticking them on these cars. Just to double the capacity load. That's a couple of the Housatonic had these type of cars that kept tipping over on the bad track. Normally get this be about 5 minutes worth of film. It's already like almost 10 minutes. But I have one freaking car. The one end is like crushed downward. Damn. A good size 424 here. Never have a DPU on 424. All the power's on the head end. This train must be super big today. And probably the ass end is way down past 151. They should have let the Housatonic come in before these knuckleheads. Past 11 minutes.